To insert SIM card in the Z Flip 6, we need to get the SIM ejector tool. This is inside the box. There is this leaflet, and if you pull this out, it has the tool. You can use a pin or paper clip alternatively. On the left hand side, you have this outline and a hole. This is the SIM card tray. So insert the thin end of the tool into the tray and then push down and release when the tray has partially ejected. Use your nail or finger to pull out the SIM card tray. The Z Flip 6 has one physical SIM card slot, and you can use a second SIM with eSIM. We should notice, I'm going to flip the tray, we should see this ridge here, and there is also the ridge on the SIM card. So match the ridge of the SIM card with the tray and then push it down and it should fit flush. Now if it doesn't fit in flush, then just flip the SIM card tray around. So then we need to flip the SIM card and then we'll push the tray back into the phone, and we'll use our finger to rub the tray to make sure it's fully shut. So give it a couple of seconds, it will open the mobile network settings. In this, you can tap the add eSIM and then add your second SIM card. It needs to be a QR code. So if we just scan the QR code, that will add. Now one more thing, if the SIM card is not being recognized, just give this yellow part of the SIM card a nice rub with your t-shirt and then put the SIM card back in, and then it should be recognized just fine.